Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Farhan from TechDude, and today I'm back with another video. This time we are going to talk about how to protect your mobile phone and the best mobile phone accessories where you get under budget. And if you are new to this channel, drop a like, drop a comment and subscribe my channel TechDude. Talking about the first accessories is nothing but it is to protect your phone is none other than temper glass and a mobile cover. I prefer you to take any bumper case or a case which has pretty good rubber protection so that it protects the phone from the drops and any other thing. I prefer you to not to apply temper glass which you may find on roadside for 45 rupees, for 60 rupees and all the stuff. I at least prefer you to apply tempered glass about 200 rupees so that your phone doesn't get shattered when it's fall down. And I just want you to tell that in a short simple way that you have to just afford a good temper glass so that your phone screen doesn't break. I have a past experience where I had applied 45 rupees temper glass on my iPhone 7 in those days, and when it is fall down, the temper glass was doesn't even had a single scratch, but the display inside it took the total impact and it just shattered. And so I have to replace my iPhone 7 screen. It costed me around 7,000 rupees in those days. So it is my opinion, or it is my advice you to that if you are getting an brand new smartphone, just apply a good quality temper glass and good quality thick rubber case, shock resistant case. And I have some brand recommendations for covers such as Pingian, and there are some other brands which has a good bumper case. And as you guys can see, some of the cases from Spingian and some a good quality case known case makers, manufacturers. And here you can see these cases are MagSafe certified, where you can charge your iPhones wirelessly if you are an iPhone user. And these are military resistant cases, where military certified cases where you may drop this phone from 2 floors but you can't see any scratch on your mobile phone screen. The case takes total impact, and I suggest you to get good quality case above 500 rupees so that your phone will be protected, uh, because you afford phone to use them for at least 2 to 3 hours. So it is your responsibility to protect them and make sure they run in long run. Next thing, here we are going to talk about cables. I know you may get pretty cheap cables, pretty cheap quality cables such as these for 50 rupees or 100 rupees in your local market, but I suggest you to take good quality cables so in long run it may protect your phones. If you are using an iPhone, I suggest you to take Apple certified cables so that it doesn't damage your phone battery life, health or everything. I suggest you to take third party cables such as Boat, Ambrane, and you may also, there are some other known brands which make. The third and final thing is nothing but, not a final thing, I mean a third thing is nothing but an inbox power adapter, or the power adapter which is provided by the company. And you have to use those power adapters only. In long run it may help you to protect or extend your battery life, and you won't get any battery life issue if you use inbox power adapters. And you have to know how much the power it takes while charging your smartphone. You must know how much your smartphone takes power in when it is charging, like 20 watts, 30 watts, depending upon that use your power adapter. You may see the wattages right here, and I will show it to you. It's an 5 watt adapter, and it's a 5 watt adapter. There you can see. I suggest you to use the power adapters according to your smartphone can take up to, like nowadays every smartphone comes with an fast charging support. Kindly use those power adapters which the company suggests you to use, brand suggests you to use, or inbox power adapters which you may see in your phone box, but nowadays you are not able to see that power adapters inside the box. So I suggest you to take what company suggests you to use. And if I charge it once, it charges my iPhone 13 mini 8 to 9 times, and roughly. And I suggest you to get a good quality power bank, because you may have seen incidents where banks just blasted out, so because of overheating. Suggest you to take certified branded power banks such as MI, Realme, Ambrian, Anchor, and this type of power bank. And it may also come in use when you run out of your juice, especially when you are using your iPhone. I know if you are using any older iPhone, you may face an issue called battery drain. And hardly you will get 2 to 3 hours of screen on time. So that if you have a power bank, good quality power bank, you are ready to go whenever you want and how many times you want to charge it. And get a good quality power bank. And the fourth thing is nothing but get an type C to 3.5. I am suggesting you to take type C to 3.5 mm adapter, or lightning to 3.5 mm adapter, because there will be no delay while listening to audio, while watching movies, playing games, or listening to your favorite music. And you no need to recharge your earphones or something like you are doing to your Bluetooth TWS. And the main thing is that get one type C to 3.5 mm or lightning to 3.5 mm jack. It may save you a lot of money, and it gives you better sound quality compared to budget TWS in every aspect. And another thing is that if you have an storage insufficient storage, I suggest you to take any cloud storage. And I know it is now quite a bit expensive. Google used to give us a free unlimited storage, but Google Photos, but it doesn't happening now. If you need an more storage, or if you need sufficient storage, I suggest you to get an lightning to USB 3.0 pen drives, or type C to 3.0 pen drives. It is available on Amazon, and you may find the pen drives up to 1 TB. And I suggest you to get one external pen drive. I don't suggest you to take SD cards, because in a long term it may slow down your mobile phone, because the inbuilt storage which you have in your phone is much faster. It process information much faster than a typical SSD card. So I suggest you to take a pen drive, just dump that old photos or videos in that pen drive and keep it safe. And you may able to connect that pen drive to USB, I mean computer or laptop and your smartphones, and you may easily transfer from here to there to here. And this is a key tip, guys. And everyone, I suggest you to take pen drives instead of SSDs. And the another key tip is that, and if you are mobile phone users who binge watch movies and Netflix on your mobile phone screen or something, and you may find it that the audio quality on your mobile phone is not that great, I suggest you to take a good pair of headphones or earphones which has a good quality sound, so that you can enjoy your favorite audio movies at highest audio quality. And I will give you the links in the description for budget earphones and headphones, so you may purchase from description down below, description box. Boom, hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is it for this video. And if you are new to this channel, drop a like, drop a comment and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for more interesting videos.